Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this really tiny device right here. It's a transceiver, or what's called a transmitter and receiver, as you see right here. In one side it says transmitter, receiver, and in the middle micro USB, which is to charge it. And supposedly it's made by Brookstone, just like the headphones I reviewed previously. I did not buy them together, so this one was bought separately. And let me tell you why you might want to consider having one of these devices around. It can literally turn any device that doesn't have Bluetooth into a Bluetooth-enabled device. How it does that? As long as your device has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is this one here, that device will have Bluetooth, whether it be your TV, whether it be an old subwoofer, an old sound system that has an input, or an older computer that doesn't have its own Bluetooth, but you want to transmit, you can add this as a Bluetooth on the output side or the headphone side of the things, and you will love it. So let's test it. And a few small things right here. I have, for the life of me, I couldn't find anything better. I found this emergency radio right now, but it has what we need right here. It has an auxiliary 3.5mm jack. Let me insert one side here, and let me put the other side on the receiver. When you put it on receiver mode, that means this will be as a Bluetooth device to other devices, so you can transmit music or audio whatever you want from another device to this one here. And of course this one puts it in the device that you selected here. Now let me turn this on. Let me put the weather stuff down. This is the line in, which is this one here right now. And now let's go to our computer and search for a Bluetooth device. We put Bluetooth right here and add device here, Bluetooth and mices. Oh, let's turn it on first. I totally forgot to turn it on. Okay, and as you see now, the light is blinking on the receiver side. And here it's on my Bluetooth. Okay, it found a Brookstone BT transmitter. It's connecting, and it has been connected. And now let me find some music that I made so I don't get a copyright. And right here. And here's the music being played via this device to this speaker right here. And from my Bluetooth, of course, from my PC. So we made this device Bluetooth enabled. And you can do anything. It could be an older radio that you can turn into a Bluetooth radio or Bluetooth speaker. If you have from those very, very old speakers, you can do that too. And now let's turn this one off now. We are done with it. Turn off the transmitter and receiver. And of course the sound will go directly to my main speakers. Okay, let's take this away. Now, how we do the other part that I told you, this one has a transmitter too. So this one becomes a transmitter. Well, let's plug it in the transmitter side. Let's turn it on and find headphones that have Bluetooth that can receive Bluetooth signal. I happen to have, of course, the Brookstones that I had from before, but how this one works right now is that it's searching for any open Bluetooth device, which usually these are open Bluetooth devices. These are not locked that you have to put a code or anything. And you will see what happens when I turn these on. There's a light here that should start blinking. Power on. And I'm not sure if you guys can see the light there. I see it, but I'm not sure if you can. And look what happens when I touch these together. Now it says pairing. Just give it a second to recognize. And it will take a second. And now it's paired. And the light here stopped blinking. Now, these headphones will receive any signal that you input here. This would be the time that you can plug it in your, TV. You could put it on your Roku player, your NVIDIA player, whatever you have, or your computer if it doesn't have a Bluetooth module. On this case, I'm just going to connect it to my phone again here. Let me put my password. And as you see here, I'm just going to plug it in here. And it's connected to these. This one is connected to my headphones. And as you see right here, I don't have my Bluetooth on. Bluetooth is off on this device. And let's go to YouTube and put some NCS, which I have already prepared. Let me put the volume up, and it's being played on my headphones. And yes, this music is coming from the headphones via this Bluetooth module right here. It's a really nice device to have around, let me tell you. It's a really nice device to have around. And with that said, again, I am not sponsored by Brookstone or any of these devices that I'm using here. I'm just using them to show you that these pieces of tech actually exist and can help you a lot, especially if you need to add a Bluetooth receiver or transmitter to an older system. This is the cheapest way to go about it without having to, pay big amounts of money to modify and do all that kind of other stuff. And with that said, I hope we'll see you next time, and thank you for watching this video. If you hit like and subscribe, I'd much appreciate it. And bye!